Hey everyone, this is Mika Notes and today I'm gonna teach you how I color skin tones. So I've already drawn and inked a simple Goku drawing and I will start coloring right away. But first let me tell you about the markers I'm gonna use. I use Copic markers as they're alcoholic markers and they blend really well. So for the skin I will use 5 tones E00, E11, E13, E15 and E18. So we will start from the chest area. First we will use the brightest tone E11. I will color the whole chest and make sure to get a good coverage before using another tone. For this drawing we will take the sunlight at the right side, so most of the shadows will be on the left side. Now I will use a darker tone E11 to color shadows at the left side and bottom side of the chest to show the muscles and shape of the chest. Then use the brightest tone E00 to blend both tones. Now I will use a more darker tone E13 to add a second layer of shadow and blend it with E11 or the previous dark tone. You can add more dark tones by using E15 and E18, but if you leave at just 3 tones, it's perfectly fine. But I like to add more tones to the shadows to give it a more realistic look. Now I will finish the second chest area and I will start coloring the abs part. Now just like the last time, we will apply the base layer of the brightest tone of E00 and then I will apply the shadows on the left sides where I will leave some lighter areas too to show the muscles and bulging out and the shape of the muscles. I will then apply more shadows and dark tones where I think the shadows will be, like below the chest area and the biceps area and on the sides of the abs. Also remember to keep blending the tones as you apply more shadows. While coloring the right side, remember to apply less shadows as this part will be brighter than the left side as the lighting is coming from the right. Now to color the biceps, we will repeat the previous steps and apply shadows in the shape of the muscles. For example, the bicep is rounder, so the shadows will be also rounder. Again, apply more shadows where you think the shadows will be formed. To color shoulders, just apply shadows in the shape of the shoulder muscles and the darker tones towards the bottom part of the shoulders.
Of trash, I know what you want. You're always without me, telling lies, everyone. I want to go my way. You should go your way, your way. You should go. Sorry, honey, I took a decision. I do not want your negative reasons. Hey, 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 I don't want it. Hey, hey, hey. I wanna be you. May we live, oh baby, no. I wanna be you.
Now to color the neck area, just repeat the previous steps and apply more shadows on the left side and middle area and less shadows on the right side area.
Of trash, I know what you want. You're always without me, telling lies. Everyone, I want to go my way. You should go your way, your way. You should go. Sorry, honey, I took a decision. I do not want your negative reasons. Hey, 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 I don't want them. Hey, hey, hey. I wanna be you. Maybe we'll live. Oh, baby, no. I wanna be you. Oh, baby, no. I wanna be you.
Now to color the face area, we will use only 3 tones and carefully apply shadows on the forehead while leaving the bumps on the forehead. We will also apply shadows on the left side of the face, on the bumps of the right side and on the chin area. And to finish it off, we will use a third tone and apply small shadows on the already applied dark tone.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel.
And that's it guys, this is how I color skin tones in my drawings. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this tutorial and want more tutorials like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.